One of the things you'll notice when you turn your air conditioner on, you'll see that if you turn it on in the first position and you hear nothing, and you hear second position, you hear nothing, third position, you hear nothing, and then fourth position, it comes on, it's most likely the resistor. It's sitting inside there. It's not the fan blower, because that particular one right there has a automatic 12 volt running to the fourth line. So if it's not working in the first three positions, it's not your fan motor. It's the little thermostat that goes inside a little resistor that you buy off the internet. It's about yay long. It's black, has two screws on the side. Put a plug in it, and that tells the temperature. It's like a thermostat or something. Forget the name of it offhand, but if you want to know if it's your blower, it's real simple to do. So you turn on your engine, you put your engine on, and I put on mine on air conditioning. You don't hear nothing, or it comes on sporadically. You know, start my car, nothing, or it's coming on really, really low when you get up at high speeds. There it goes. It's on really low right now. You barely can hear it. But if you go down here, this is a brand new one in the box. Costs you about 40 bucks on the internet. Don't buy it from AutoZone. AutoZone wants like bucks. It's crazy. Don't buy it from them. I'm talking about lifetime warranty, $35, $40. You might as well buy 4 or 5 of them in your lifetime. You'd be straight. Save your money. But it's only three screws to fix this, and it's right down here. I'm about to put the light on for you. But you can actually hear it running right now. And that's it right there. It's barely running, coming on. You remove those 3 screws. There's one right there into the back. You see them right there. Take those off. There's a plug on the side. Remove the plug. I'll take it off and show you what I'm talking about. Here we go. Like I said, they're 8mm. Here's my little 8mm on a ratchet. Also got a little 8mm right here. But these are the 3 screws that's holding on that. Look like this. And they're only about 3/4 of an inch long. When you remove those 3 screws from here, and over on the other side right there, you'll see it. You can check the motor. Let's check the motor. I'm gonna turn the key on. I'm gonna put it on 1, turn the key on. Okay. All right, we're not getting nothing out of it. All right, there we go. We have ignition, yeah. Oh, it stopped. It's got a problem with it. There it is. All right, there's the speed it's going at. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how it's going? Doesn't have much torque to it. It's letting me stop it. Look at that, it stops. It's a bad motor on there. Plug might be bad too. Might be just the plug. See that? It's going high now, then low. So it might have a bad plug here. There it goes high. All right, we're gonna check out a new one to see how it does. So all we're gonna do is, on the back, it's got this little clip. So let me let's see the clip. You want to lift up on this just to bypass that white part right there. Lift up on that black part. I'm gonna take a screwdriver and do that. Hold on. Show you what the new one sounds like when I turn the key on. I'm gonna turn it to low, to 1. Turn the key on. That's going about as fast as that one was going in 4th speed. Then we're gonna go to 2, 3, 4. It's like a typhoon in this place. So that's it. We're gonna go ahead and reinstall this. Put the 3 screws back in the 8mm, and then we'll button it up and let you come back and show you what it's doing. Want to know which one I purchased? This is the SKU number. Autex 119411, made in China. And there's the barcode right there. Okay, All right, I got it installed. There's, like I said, 3 screws. Put them in halfway, then tighten the back one up all the way, then the right side one, then the front one. That way they'll go in even and smooth. And we'll give it a start over here. Turn on low. Turn the kitchen on. Don't hear nothing. Oh wait, it's on low. That's 2, 3, 4. So that's working perfectly. There you go. I went to 2 or 3 auto places and got quotes, and the lowest one I got to change that fan blower was $550. Just for the record, my buddy gave me $50 off, said he would do it for $500 over at Big Old Tire. So that goes to show you how much of a good friend I had. $500 for a part that costs 40 bucks in about 15 minutes of work. And all you need is an 8mm or a 5/16, and you're done in 15-20 minutes. There you go. Another video brought to you by E-Money Blue. Save that money, pimpin'. Go ahead and turn it on now. It's been repaired. Key on. Here it's working like a champ. Lots of air. Perfect. Well, thank you for tuning in, folks.